Hello, my friends. Welcome to the Lately Method, your uncomplicated guide for Instagram marketing. My name is Megan Kellaway. I'm the owner and founder of Lately Social Media, and I am so excited that you are here. You're here because you're sick of posting whatever, whenever on social media and not seeing any results. You're sick and tired of wondering what to post next and not knowing what content is going to actually support your business goals and do the job it's supposed to do. You know you need to be using social media marketing to level up your business, but you are struggling to figure out how to do it. Or maybe you're using social media, you're using Instagram, but you don't actually have a strategy in place or a plan in place, and you need something to make sure that you're using your time as effectively and efficiently as possible. Well, let me tell you what you're going to get out of this course. I'm going to teach you step by step how to create a social media strategy that is proven to work. I'm going to give you a content calendar where we plug your social media strategy into that calendar, and then I'm going to teach you how to plan 30 days of content in just 60 minutes, maybe less once you get good at it. It is a plug and play solution, so you're always ensuring that your content you spend your valuable time creating aligns back to the business goals that you have set out. Additionally, I'm going to teach you how to create killer content and write scroll-stopping captions. There are also bonus lessons in this course. So one of them is all about different free tools that are available to you to ensure that you are using your time super effectively and that you have a process that allows you to create more valuable content in a fraction of the time. I'm also going to teach you some daily habits to start to implement so that you will see 3 times the amount of growth on your channel month over month. Last, I'm going to give you a checklist so that every point in the month, you know exactly what you should be working on, so you're always ahead of the game. Whether vacations come up, holiday season comes up, whatever it might be, you're always one step ahead, so your social media marketing is always working for you. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about myself so you know what I bring to the table and why you should be even considering this course. So I have over 12 years experience working in the corporate world on nationwide brands, managing their paid and organic social media marketing. Throughout my career, I was able to identify strategies that were for sure shots to hit the massive targets that came along with working for such large organizations. I was also given the opportunity to play with really big budgets, to do trials and errors, to learn, and to have access to resources that help me truly understand what works and what doesn't work on social media. Now, as some of you may know, working in the corporate world comes with its struggles as well. You start to feel like a bit of a number, you're working really long hours, all of the things that, aren't so glamorous about the corporate life really hit me in 2021 when my son was born and I decided I didn't want to go back to that lifestyle. So that is when Lately Social Media was born. With Lately Social Media, I am on a mission to help as many business owners as possible understand in an easy and efficient way how to grow their business and scale their business using social media marketing, starting with Instagram. So you're probably still questioning, I don't have time for this, I don't have a marketing background, this is just another course, but let me tell you this. If you implement a process from start to finish throughout the month, you can effectively spend less time creating content that is actually going to support your business goals and drive your business forward, scale your business, get you in front of your target audience in a fraction of the time that you're doing it now. This course is designed for the everyday business owner. It is a step-by-step roadmap, easy to follow, that literally allows you to plug and play exact tactics and strategies that I know are proven from my life in the corporate world. When you finish this course, you will know exactly the type of content that you need to be creating, how to create that content so that it is scroll stopping and it's getting in front of your target audience. You will know how to understand your insights so you never again waste time creating content that's not going to support your business goals. You never again wonder, what do I post next? From here on out, you will watch your business grow. You will scale. You will be in front of your target audience. You will create brand awareness, build brand trust, build social proof, and ultimately, you will make more money. So I challenge you to enroll today. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will see you in the classroom.